Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special in store for you. The best biotin conditioner on the market, PURA Door Deep Moisturizing Biotin Conditioner. Before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about why this conditioner from PURA Door deserves the title of the best biotin conditioner. It's packed with natural goodness that promises to transform your hair. First, take a look at this impressive lineup of ingredients. With organic aloe vera replacing water, this conditioner is all about hydration. It's specially formulated for dry, frizzy, and damaged hair, making it suitable for both men and women. And did I mention it's vegan-friendly? Now, let's talk about what sets this conditioner apart, the key ingredients like argan oil, pumpkin seed extract, and rosemary. These botanical wonders work together to rejuvenate your hair, making it stronger, healthier, and more voluminous. One thing I love about PURA Door is their commitment to quality. They carefully select rare botanical ingredients from around the world to ensure the highest quality. And all their products are sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. PURA Door is a brand dedicated to providing sustainable and eco-friendly products. They manufacture their products in the USA, using renewable energy sources, a win for both your hair and the planet. But let's get back to this deep moisturizing biotin conditioner. Dry scalp can lead to hair breakage and frizz, and this conditioner is designed to combat that. By locking in moisture to your hair and follicles, it helps maintain strong, healthy hair. Using it is a breeze. After shampooing, apply the conditioner and leave it on for about 2 minutes. This allows for deep penetration and full absorption. Then, rinse it out thoroughly. Now, I know you're itching to hear what others have to say about this product. With over 3,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average on Amazon, it's clear that many people have experienced positive results. In my personal experience, this conditioner not only made my hair feel softer and smoother but also added some much-needed volume. And that's something we all appreciate, right? Plus, it's versatile, suitable for various hair types, especially if you're dealing with thinning hair. It pairs perfectly with the original gold label anti-thinning shampoo or the maximum defense shampoo from PURA Door. So, if you've been on the hunt for the best biotin conditioner to transform your hair, look no further. PURA Door Deep Moisturizing Biotin Conditioner might just be your new hair care hero. That wraps up today's review of the best biotin conditioner in the market. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and links to purchase. And as always, stay tuned for more product reviews and recommendations on Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep rocking your fabulous hair, and I'll catch you in the next video.